This is why and how you can connect your Wi-Fi without a password in a laptop or computer. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so open up your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge/browser and type in this in the browser: QR code Wi-Fi generator. Now there's a list of QR code websites or generators right here, but if we scroll down we can see the particular website we're going to be using is this right here, qfi.org. Once this has been opened and loaded, you're going to be able to type in your SSID of the network or Wi-Fi, and then the key or the password phrase, and then also the encryption. You can choose one of these three options: WPA, WEP, or none. And once you've inputted the information, click generate, and voila! Your free QR code or Wi-Fi has been successfully created. Wi-Fi without password in laptop. You can choose to save this as well, and to export or to print your free QR code for Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more tutorials like this, comment down below, share the video, and follow or subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.